Hello, here's the latest project for Bacoban and CCM. The producers of these visors are now including an alcohol-based Bacoban wipe in with the visor kit. So I'm just quickly going to show how you apply it. So you open the wipe, you apply the wipe. Nothing could be easier, ensuring full coverage inside and out. All the surfaces around the outside. So just that, that's everything coated now. We're going to wait for 30 seconds, just less for this video. That is now protected. It's now protected with a 10-day layer of anti-pathogen protection. You can read all the data on Bacoban. That is all we have to do. We're now going to gently wipe the visual surface there, just to make sure there's no smearing and you've got the best optical characteristics possible. So, simple as that. That is now protected for 10 days with Bacoban.